Prosecutors closed their case in the Home Circuit Court this afternoon in the trial of Police Constable Collis Brown, who is accused of being a member of a so-called police death squad. Constable Brown is charged with 3 counts of murder, conspiracy to murder, and wounding with intent. For a second day this week, the witness, an ex-convict turned state witness, insisted that he provided members of the death squad with information on the members of the criminal underworld in Clarendon. Under cross-examination from defense attorney Norman Godfrey about his involvement in criminal activities, the witness, who is also a police informant, told the jury that the death squad was created due to rampant criminal activities in Clarendon in 2010. The attorney also sought to outline what he deemed as inconsistencies in testimonies given in court from statements given to Indicom investigators. But the witness insisted that he was telling the truth about Constable Brown's involvement in the squad. He maintained that information he provided to Constable Brown led to the fatal shooting of Dwayne Douglas, otherwise called Murderous, and Andrew Ferron. Douglas and Ferron were killed along the Swansea Main Road on December 13. The defense this afternoon requested time to make legal submissions to the judge before calling Constable Brown to respond to the allegations. The jury was excused until Monday.